We have this area here. We originally did not own that property over there, so this was going to be our little cooking area, which now that pretty much is, but I still like this area, so we're not going to take this apart. I had a chance to get a bunch of granite, and I'm going to do some testing with and see what I can make with it, and look at the markability of it. And so I'm going to do a little test area here. I put some crushed stone down and I started piling them in, and it's beautiful stuff. I'm just really not sure what all I'm going to do, but I'm thinking I'm going to try them as some pavers upside down, or I'm not sure. The problem is in the winter with snow on them, they're very slippery. So I was thinking this would be like a bench, or a table I mean, and then maybe something over here for a bench, or maybe just like a patio area here. Nothing really grows here anyways. It's under the trees and everything, so it really just doesn't. I got quite a bit of shade here, and it doesn't really grow anyways. So we're just this is what I started last night, and we're gonna put more on, and we're just gonna be creative and see what we end up here in this little corner area.